Hi friends, this lesson is for Module 6, Lesson 8. Did you know my sister was a teacher? She is. She teaches mostly like reading and writing, but the other day we started talking about math because you know it's my favorite thing to talk about. And I was telling her how you could say numbers in different ways. And she was like, "What, Kristen, what are you talking about?" And I said, "Well, for example, 76. I could say it the regular way, 76, or I could say it the say 10 way, 7 tens and 6 ones." Now, friends, this about blew her mind. She had never heard of the say 10 way. I was like, oh, yeah, you can use the say 10 way to describe any number, like 99. I could say 99, or I could say 9 tens and 9 ones. Oh my goodness, she could not believe it. And then as I was talking to her, I realized, oh, friends, we are going up to really big numbers. We're going all the way up to 120. I wonder, can we talk about the say 10 way with big numbers? Oh, yeah, we totally can. I tried it out. I took 102. Hmm. First, I'm going to look at that 10 spots. How many tens do you see in the 10 spot? Yeah, there's 10 tens. That's outrageous. Now I'm going to look at the ones. How many ones do you see? Ding, 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 ding. You're totally right. 2 ones. So I could say 102, or I could say 10 tens and 2 ones. This is perfect. I am so glad I started talking about the say 10 way with my sister because today's learning goal said I can describe numbers to 120 in tens and ones. Oh, good. I'm so glad we get to practice this. Here we go. Okay. If I have 105, first again, I'm going to look at the tens. How many tens do you see? Yep, 10 tens. And how many ones? Yep, 5. So I could say 105, or I could say 10 tens and 5 ones. Ooh, man, oh man, I'm giving you a tricky one. This is 117. Now, carefully look at the tens. How many tens do you see? Did you say 11? Dude, you are so good. It is. It's 11 tens. And how many ones? Ugh, right again. And 7 ones. So 117 would be the regular way. The say 10 way would be 11 tens and 7 ones. Ooh, you are getting good at this. What about this tricky fella? Oh man, Miss Arwood has really gotten you on this one. Can you go get your dry erase board and marker or your math journal because I'm going to have you do a little bit of work. Did you go get your stuff? Oh good. If not, press pause. Okay, so now this time I'm tricky because I switched up a bit and I started with the say 10 way. I said 12 tens and 0 ones. Okay, can you go ahead and write down what that number would be the regular way? My recommendation is to start with the tens and then write in the ones. Ready? Did you get 12 tens and 0 ones? What's the number? You're right, 120. Man, oh man, that was fun. Ready to try another one? Oh, you want to say yes. Here we go. What about 8 tens and 3 ones? Can you write that the regular way? Don't forget, start with the tens and then write in the ones. Ready? All right, so I can put an 8 right there for my tens and 3 right there. So 8 tens and 3 ones. What's that the regular way? Right again, friend, 83. Wow, you're doing such a nice job. You know what? I think I'm going to spice it up a bit. If you'll notice, on one side I put a whole bunch of numbers in place value mats, which is, by the way, kind of what I've been doing with those little green lines. I was just tricking you. I wasn't putting in the place value mats just yet, but I was really filling it in as if there was an invisible one there. I put in the tens, just like I would in the tens part of the place value mat, and then I put in the ones. Okay, so this is what I want you to do. I want you to start with that first one in the place value mat where it says 10 tens and 9 ones. Friends, look over on the other column. Is 10 10 and 9 ones 91? Is it 10 tens and 4 ones? Or is it 109? Go ahead and with your finger just draw a line connecting the one that you think it connects to. Are you ready? Did you choose this one? You're right, because 109 has 10 tens and 9 ones. Let's look at the next place value mat. It says 9 tens and 1 ones. Which one on the other side do you think it connects to? Are you kidding me? You're so good at this. Did you say 91? Yes, that's exactly right. Ugh, you're so smart. Go ahead and give yourself a pat on the back, you little rock star. All right, last one. Now, my friends oftentimes like to just draw a connecting line, but you want to make sure it makes sense. Let's see. Does that place value match what it says on the right-hand side? It does. Actually, it even says it in the say 10 way, which is the exact same way I would describe what's in the place value mat. 10 tens and 4 ones. And on the other side in words, it says 10 tens and 4 ones. Do you know what number that would be the regular way? Oh yeah, I'm really stretching your brain. 10 tens and 4 ones. What number would that be? Ding, 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 ding. You're right. 104. Nice job. Wow, you're doing so good, which is great because our learning goal today says I can describe numbers to 120 in tens and ones. And that's exactly what we've been working on. Okay, friends, it's your turn. If you look right here, I have 3 problems. Look really carefully. There's a place value mat, and then right next to it is a red line. The place value mat has the number the say 10 way. The red line is where I wanted you to write the number the regular way. So in that first row, you're going to take 11 tens and 9 ones and write it the regular way. On the second row, I gave you 113. You need to put that number in the place value mat. And on the last row, I said 10 tens and 3 ones, and I want you to write that the regular way on the red line. Go ahead and do that good work and seesaw to your teacher. Good luck, friends.